Today, we're looking at one of the most unique touring motorcycles ever made, the Yamaha NIKEN GT. The NIKEN GT isn't a regular trike. It's a three-wheeled sport tourer that leans into corners like a normal bike, thanks to Yamaha's leaning multi-wheel technology. This design gives superior grip and stability, especially in rain or on rough roads. At the heart of the system is a parallelogram linkage. This lets both front wheels lean together with the bike. Each wheel has independent telescopic forks, so bumps affect each wheel separately, making the ride smoother. With Ackerman steering geometry, the inner wheel turns sharper than the outer during a curve, meaning no tire scrub and natural steering feel. The two front wheels create a wider contact patch, about 80% more than a normal bike, for better grip, cornering confidence, and braking power. The GT version is made for long-distance touring. Newer models use an 890cc CP3 inline triple engine with stronger low-to-mid torque for smooth acceleration. Electronics include chip-controlled throttle, adjustable riding modes, traction control, cruise control, and a quick shifter for both up and down shifts. With its leaning dual front wheels, advanced engineering, and touring comfort, the Yamaha NIKEN GT redefines what a sport tourer can be.